Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about area of triangles and the formula which is required to find the area. We know that area of a triangle is half base into height. Okay, remember this formula. Area of a triangle is where basically what? Half base into height. Now what is my base and what is my height? Let us understand this. See, base can be any side. Base can be any side of the triangle. AB can also be a base, BC can also be a base, and AC can also be a base. Any side is given is can be taken as base. Okay. Now what is my height? If we take BC as a base, if our base is BC, then what is the point which is left out? A. And if we draw from A a line which is perpendicular to this side BC, right? Suppose let us name it D. So my height will be AD. Okay, so relationship between base and height is that height is always perpendicular to the base, correct? If we take AB as a base, we draw a line perpendicular to this C. So if my base is AB, my height will be CE, correct? Similarly, if you draw perpendicular BF to AC, if my base is AC, my height will be BF, correct? So understand this, that you can take any side as BC, but the height will be perpendicular to that base, okay, from the opposite point. Clear it is? Okay. Now we will learn to find the ratio of areas of two triangles. Suppose there are two triangles. Let us say ABC and DEF. Okay. So the ratio of areas of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. Again, half base into height. Let's call it as B1, H1, B2, H2. Okay. So any base, right? Let us say BC is my base and AM is my height. Similarly, we can say, right? So half BC into AM, half EF into DM. This half will get cancelled. So we will get formula BC multiplied by AM, EF multiplied by DM. Right? So ratio of area of two triangle, any two triangle. Okay, this is what the ratio of their bases and ratio of their heights. Clear? Now suppose the base is same. We take two triangles. Right? Suppose this triangle. For this base is common and these two heights are given. Then base will also get cancelled. So A, B, C, D. Okay, just look at this area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DBC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC. It will be what? I am taking the base, common base, will be AM for this triangle, and for BDC it will be half. Again I am taking the same base and the height. This half cancel and BC also cancel. It will be what? Just the ratio of sides. So if two triangles have a common base and the perpendiculars are given according to that base only. See, yes, we are talking about if AM and DN are given. If suppose these two perpendiculars were given, then we cannot take the common base. Okay, so in the formula of area, if base is common, then we can cancel the base and the ratio will be only the ratio of heights. Similarly, if height is same, the ratio will be what? The ratio of base. So if in two triangles, my height is same, correct? Height, how can height be same? If the point is common, suppose this two triangle, right? If we draw a line perpendicular from common point, we can draw only one line perpendicular to this point, to this line from this point. So this perpendicular will be same for this triangle also and this triangle also. So in that case only the ratio of base will be equal to ratio of areas. Okay, so remember one thing, that my height, suppose my triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So if I want to take this as a base and I want to draw height which is perpendicular from this point, and this height will come outside the triangle. This is my height. Okay, so height is basically what? Perpendicular to the base, and it can be outside the triangle also. So remember these three formulas, which is what? Ratio of area is what? Ratio of bases multiplied by ratio of heights, and if the base is common, then it is only equal to ratio of heights, and if heights are equal, then it is also always equal to the ratio of bases.